Hello students, in Mathematics Part 1, we will revise Chapter 5, Linear Equations in Two Variables, and we will solve problem set 5. Question 1, choose the correct alternative answers for the following questions. Subdivision 1. If 3x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 7, then what is the value of x plus y? Solution. On adding the two given equations, 3x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 7, we get 8x plus 8y is equal to 16. On dividing both sides by 8, we get x plus y is equal to 2. The answer is option A, 2. Subdivision 2. When 5 is subtracted from the length and breadth of the rectangle, the perimeter becomes 26. What is the mathematical form of the statement? Solution. Let the length and breadth of the rectangle be x and y, respectively. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to twice length plus breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B, and that is equal to 2 into bracket x minus 5 plus y minus 5. Therefore 26 is equal to 2 into bracket x plus y minus 10. Therefore x plus y minus 10 is equal to 13, and therefore x plus y is equal to 23. Therefore the answer is option C, x plus y is equal to 23. Question 1, subdivision 3. Ajay is younger than Vijay by 5 years. Sum of their ages is 25 years. What is Ajay's age? Solution. Let the age of Ajay be x years. Therefore Vijay's age will be x plus 5 years. Now sum of their ages is 25 years. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 25. Therefore 2x plus 5 is equal to 25. Therefore 2x is equal to 25 minus 5. Therefore 2x is equal to 20, and therefore x is equal to 10 years. Therefore the answer is option C, 10 years. Question 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Subdivision 2. X minus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus y is equal to 7. Solution. Let x minus 2y equal to minus 1 be equation 1 and 2x minus y equal to 7 be equation 2. Adding the two equations, that is equation 1 and 2, x minus 2y is equal to minus y plus 2x minus y is equal to 7. Therefore 3x minus 3y is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x minus y is equal to 2. Let this be equation 3. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, we get x minus 2y is equal to minus 1 minus 2x minus y is equal to 7. The signs of equation 2 will change, and therefore x minus 2x is equal to minus x, minus 2y plus y is equal to minus y, and that is equal to minus 1 minus 7, which is equal to minus 8. Therefore we get minus x minus y is equal to minus 8, that is x plus y is equal to 8. Let this be equation 4. Adding 3 and 4, we get x minus y is equal to 2 plus x plus y is equal to 8. On eliminating y, we get 2x is equal to 10, and therefore x is equal to 5. Substituting x equal to 5 in equation 4, which is x plus y is equal to 8. Therefore 5 plus y is equal to 8. Therefore y is equal to 8 minus 5. Therefore y is equal to 3. Answer. Therefore the ordered pair 5, 3 is the solution of the given equations. Let us solve question 2, subdivision 3. The two equations are x plus y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Solution: x plus y is equal to 11. Using substitution method, therefore x is equal to 11 minus y. Let this be equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Let this be equation 2. Substituting x is equal to 11 minus y in equation 2, we get 2 into 11 minus y within brackets minus 3y is equal to 7. Therefore 22 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 7. Therefore 22 minus 5y is equal to 7. Therefore 22 minus 7 is equal to 5y. Therefore 15 is equal to 5y, and therefore y is equal to 15 upon 5. Therefore y is equal to 3. Substituting y is equal to 3 in equation 1, x equal to 11 minus y, therefore x is equal to 11 minus 3, and that is equal to 8. Therefore the ordered pair 8, 3 is the solution of the given equations. Let us solve question 2, subdivision 5. The two equations are 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Solution: 2x minus y is equal to 5. Therefore, using substitution method, minus y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Therefore, y is equal to 2x minus 5. Let this be equation 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 is equation 2. Substituting y is equal to 2x minus 5 in equation 2, we get 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 5 within brackets is equal to 11. Therefore, 3x plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 11. Therefore, 7x is equal to 11 plus 10, and therefore 7x is equal to 21. Therefore, x is equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, y is equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 2 into 3 minus 5. Therefore, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And therefore, the ordered pair 3, 1 is the solution of the given equations. Question 3. By equating coefficients of variables, solve the following equations. Subdivision 1. 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. Solution: 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, equation 1. 5x plus 2y is equal to 3, equation 2. Multiplying equation 2 by the coefficient 2, we get 10x plus 4y is equal to 6, which is equation 3. Adding equations 1 and 3, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 plus 10x plus 4y is equal to 6. Therefore 13x is equal to 13. Therefore x is equal to 13 upon 13. Therefore x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 1, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. We get 3 into 1 minus 4y is equal to 7. Therefore 3 minus 4y is equal to 7. Therefore 3 minus 7 is equal to 4y. Therefore minus 4 is equal to 4y. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 upon 4. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. Therefore the ordered pair 1, minus 1 is the solution of the given equations. Question 3, subdivision 2. 5x plus 7y is equal to 17. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Solution: 5x plus 7y is equal to 17. Equation 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4 is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by the coefficient 2, we get 10x plus 14y is equal to 34, which is equation 3. Multiplying equation 2 by the coefficient 7, we get 21x minus 14y is equal to 28. Let this be equation 4. Adding equations 3 and 4, 10x plus 14y is equal to 34 plus 21x minus 14y is equal to 28. We get 31x is equal to 62 on eliminating y. Therefore, x is equal to 62 upon 31 and therefore x is equal to 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 2, we get 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Therefore, 3 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. Therefore, 6 minus 2y is equal to 4. Therefore, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2y. Therefore, 2 is equal to 2y. Therefore, y is equal to 2 upon 2 and therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore, the ordered pair 2, 1 is the solution of the given equations. Question 4. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Subdivision 1. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4 and x upon 2 minus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Solution. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 12, we get 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Let this be equation 1. X upon 2 minus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 8, we get 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. Let this be equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get 4x plus 3y is equal to 48 minus 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. The signs of equation 2 will change and variable x will be eliminated. Therefore, 5y is equal to 40. Therefore, y is equal to 40 upon 5. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Substituting y is equal to 8 in equation 2, 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. Therefore, 4x minus 2 into 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, 4x minus 16 is equal to 8. Therefore, 4x is equal to 8 plus 16. Therefore, 4x is equal to 24. Therefore, x is equal to 24 upon 4. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, the ordered pair 6, 8 is the solution of the given equations. Question 4, subdivision 3. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Solution. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. Let this be equation 1. 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Let this be equation 2. Multiplying by 5 on both sides of equation 1, we get 10 upon x plus 15 upon y is equal to 65. Let this be equation 3. Multiplying by 2 on both sides of equation 2, we get 10 upon x minus 8 upon y is equal to minus 4. Let this be equation 4. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4, 10 upon x plus 15 upon y is equal to 65 and 10 upon x minus 8 upon y is equal to minus 4. On subtracting, the signs of equation 4 will change and x term will be eliminated. Therefore, we get 15 upon y plus 8 upon y is equal to 65 plus 4. Therefore, 23 upon y is equal to 69. Therefore, y is equal to 23 upon 69 and that is equal to 1 upon 3. Substituting y is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 4, 10 upon x minus 8 upon y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 10 upon x minus 8 upon 1 upon 3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 10 upon x minus 24 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 10 upon x is equal to 24 minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 10 upon 20. Therefore, x is equal to half. Therefore, half, 1 upon 3 is the solution of the given equations. Question 5. A two-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digits. If 18 is added to this number, the sum is equal to the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Find the number. Solution. Let the digit in the units place be x and the digit in the tens place be y. According to the first condition, a two-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digits. Therefore, 10y plus x is equal to 4 into x plus y plus 3. Therefore, 10y plus x is equal to 4x plus 4y plus 3. Therefore, bringing the like terms together, we get x minus 4x plus 10y minus 4y is equal to 3. Therefore, minus 3x plus 6y is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by minus 3, we get x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Let this be equation 1. According to the second condition, if 18 is added to the number, the sum is equal to the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Therefore, 10y plus x plus 18 is equal to 10x plus y. Therefore, bringing the like terms together, we get x minus 10x plus 10y minus y is equal to minus 18. Therefore, minus 9x plus 9y is equal to minus 18. Dividing both sides by minus 9, we get x minus y is equal to 2. Let this be equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, x minus 2y is equal to minus 1 minus x minus y is equal to 2. The signs of equation 2 will change and x term will be eliminated. Therefore, we get minus y is equal to minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Substituting y is equal to 3 in equation 2, x minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 2. And therefore, x is equal to 2 plus 3, and that is equal to 5. Therefore, the original number is 10y plus x, and that is equal to 10 into 3 plus 5, and that is equal to 30 plus 5, and that is equal to 35. Therefore, the required number is 35. Let us solve question 8. If the length of a rectangle is reduced by 5 units and its breadth is increased by 3 units, then the area of the rectangle is reduced by 9 square units. If the length is reduced by 3 units and breadth is increased by 2 units, then the area of the rectangle will increase by 67 square units. Then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Solution: let the length of the rectangle be x units and the breadth of the rectangle be y units. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to x into y square units. Length of the rectangle is reduced by 5 units, therefore length is equal to x minus 5. Breadth of the rectangle is increased by 3 units, therefore breadth is equal to y plus 3. Area of the rectangle is reduced by 9 square units, therefore area of the rectangle is equal to xy minus 9. According to the first condition, x minus 5 into y plus 3 is equal to xy minus 9. Therefore, xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Xy gets eliminated. Therefore, 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 9 plus 15. Therefore, 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Let this be equation 1. Length of the rectangle is reduced by 3 units. Therefore, length is equal to x minus 3. Breadth of the rectangle is increased by 2 units. Therefore, breadth is equal to y plus 2. Area of the rectangle is increased by 67 square units. Therefore, area of the rectangle is equal to xy plus 67. According to the second condition, x minus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to xy plus 67. Therefore, on expanding, xy plus 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Xy term gets eliminated and we get 2x minus 3y is equal to 67 plus 6. Therefore, 2x minus 3y is equal to 73, which is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get 9x minus 15y is equal to 18. Let this be equation 3. Multiplying equation 2 by 5, therefore 10x minus 15y is equal to 365. Let this be equation 4. Subtracting equation 3 from 4, we get 10x minus 15y is equal to 365 minus 9x minus 15y is equal to 18. The signs of equation 4 will change and we get 10x minus 9x is equal to x, and that is equal to 365 minus 18, which is 347. Therefore x is equal to 347. Y term is eliminated. Substituting x is equal to 347 in equation 2, 2x minus 3y is equal to 73. Therefore 2 into 347 minus 3y is equal to 73. Therefore 694 minus 73 is equal to 3y. Therefore 621 is equal to 3y. Therefore y is equal to 621 upon 3, and therefore y is equal to 207. Therefore the length and breadth of the rectangle are 347 units and 207 units respectively. Question 9. The distance between two places A and B on a road is 70 kilometers. A car starts from A and the other from B. If they travel in the same direction, they will meet in 7 hours. If they travel towards each other, they will meet in 1 hour. Then find their speeds. Solution: let the speed of the car starting from A, that is the first car, be x kilometers per hour, and that starting from B, which is the second car, be y kilometers per hour. Your x is greater than y. According to the first condition, distance covered by the first car in 7 hours is equal to 7 into x, that is equal to 7x kilometers. The distance covered by the second car in 7 hours is equal to 7 into y, that is 7y kilometers, because distance is equal to speed into time. If the cars are traveling in the same direction, 7x minus 7y is equal to 70. Dividing both sides by 7, we get x minus y is equal to 10. Let this be equation 1. According to the second condition, distance covered by the first car in 1 hour is equal to x kilometers. Distance covered by the second car in 1 hour is equal to y kilometers. If the cars are traveling in the opposite direction, therefore x plus y is equal to 70. Let this be equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, x minus y is equal to 10 plus x plus y is equal to 70. Therefore 2x is equal to 80. Y term gets eliminated. Therefore x is equal to 80 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 40. Substituting x is equal to 40 in equation 2, x plus y is equal to 70. Therefore 40 plus y is equal to 70. Therefore y is equal to 70 minus 40, which is equal to 30. Therefore the speed of the cars starting from places A and B are 40 kilometers per hour and 30 kilometers per hour respectively. Question 10. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging its digits is 99. Find the number. Solution: let the digit in the units place be x and the digit in the tens place be y. According to the given condition, the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging its digits is 99. Therefore 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 99. Therefore 11x plus 11y is equal to 99. Dividing both sides by 11, we get x plus y is equal to 9. If y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 8. If y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 7. If y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 6, and so on. Therefore, the number can be 18, 27, 36, and so on.